Hello guys, Standard 8, Chapter number 13, Chemical Effects of Current. Let's solve exercise. Here, question number 1 is MCQ. Take out page number 226 in textbook. TikTok in textbook. First MCQ. The substances that resist the flow of electron are, it is called as poor conductor. That means answer is C. Second, the flow of electricity from the positive terminal to the negative terminal is known as conventional current. Answer is C. Third one, regular tap water conducts electricity because it contains dissolved salt. Answer is C. Students, please do it with me in your textbook. Question number 4. Which of the following decomposes chemical compounds? So, answer is electrolysis. Fifth one, electroplating of a metallic object is done. It is done to protect it from corrosion, to improve its appearance, to give it additional properties. So answer is all of the above. Sixth one, when electric current is passed through an electrolyte, the negative anions move to the, so answer will be anode. Seventh, a liquid that does not conduct electricity, it is distilled water. Answer is C. Eighth, the process of electrolysis is not used for providing oxygen in spacecraft. No. Must D, making hydrogen fuel. This is not the right answer of this question. Electroplating silver on cheap metal. That means here A, C and D, where electrolysis process is useful, but adding paint to wooden furniture, matlab answer is B, which is not using electrolysis process. Now question number 9. LED bulb can be used as testers because they glow even with a weak current. That means LED bulb do not need more current to glow. So it is useful to check. Now exercise B. True and false. So first question. When atoms move along a conductor, they produce electric current. So answer is false, because here atom does not move, here electrons will move. Second, the regular water we have at home conducts electricity because it has dissolved salt in it, right? So this is true. Third one, LED bulbs glow even with a weak current, so they can be used as a tester. So it is true. Fourth one, in conventional current, electricity flows from the negative to positive terminal. So it is false, because conventional current flows from the positive terminal to negative terminal. Now fifth one, the body of a car is plated with zinc to give it a shiny look and to allow other coating to be applied. So it is false. Now give two examples for the following. So first one, solids that are insulators. So write down answers: wood, plastic, erasers, rubbers, right? Glass, write down any two. Now second, liquids that conduct electricity. So it is salty water, any acid, lemon juice. Write down any two. Third one, metals used for electroplating to give an object a finished shiny look. So it is chromium and silver or gold. Write down any two. Fourth one, particles that make up the nucleus of an atom. So it is proton and second one is neutron. Fifth one, important use of electrolysis. It is useful for the production of chlorine, that means Cl2 gas, and sodium metal. It is also useful in refining of metal. Now guys, turn your page number 227. Give one word. Here, first question, electrically charged particles that move through a electrolyte. So it is done by ions. Second, the negatively charged particles of an atom. So it is electron. Third one, produced when electrons move in a continuous stream along a conductor. So when electrons move in a conductor, it produces, it is called as electric current. Now fourth one. The negatively charged electrode. So it is called as cathode. Now fifth one. Substances that resist the flow of electrons. So it is insulators. Okay guys, now today's homework, whatever short and long question answers are remaining to write in notebook, please complete it. Here section 1 and section 2, that means whatever we have solved here right now, that no need to write in fair notebook, just write down in textbook. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.